I'm here with the SpinDIsplay. I'm going to show you how to build and set up. So if you're looking for a SpinDIsplay for your own personal needs and making your logos and more, this may be something that you may be interested in. We're going to show you what the product is all about. We're showing you what you get inside the box as we open up. Instruction and information online ran off of a modem and application. This kit includes a stand made of glass and black gloss that needs to be erected with aluminum parts that are labeled and numbered. Well protected with white foam, you have your SpinDisplays, also numbered individually. 3 of them. 3 power supplies, 110 VAC cable, the modem with Wi-Fi antennas, power supply, Ethernet cable, and the blades for all 3. Each blade's got chips and LED lighting marked A and B. Hardware extensions, spacers, power extenders, rubber feet, screws, bolts, and supplied Phillips screwdriver with the remote control and the adapter to slide the fans on. All the parts are laid out. The instructions are very easy to follow. And what we're going to do is take the first bar, and you want the wide end towards the floor. We have 24 grub bolts with the right angle Allen key locking down each of the bar. With bar number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 2 and 3 take the bridge and slide on into the unit and repeat for the other 2. Join together, slide the bridge into the next bar halfway. Repeat for the next 2. Tighten down all bolts. And repeat for the opposite side by taking each of the bars and sliding down with the Allen key in the grub bolt. And secure the rest down. With 2 short bolts, the main gloss black glass plate, and the bar with number 8 place on. We have 6 cushion feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do not over tighten the bolts. 3 brackets with the hole. 2 short bolts placed in. Number 2 and 3 is known as low, while number 1 on top is high, and the bottom one by 5 is high as well. Place in the 2 short bolts to the hole. Lock on the nuts. Hole on top, long bolt in, with the hole on top narrow, slide in and through the first hole and repeat and lock down with nut. Repeat for the remainder 1, high on the bottom, number 5. We have SpinDisplay 1, 2, 3 parts A's and B's and 24 screws to connect by taking blade number A to A, match up with the chip side down over the hole and carefully snap in. We have vent holes on each of the sides to cool off the unit while it spins. Place on your screws. Do not over tighten. Number B and B. And finish off screwing all the units when all the blades are in. 3 to the bottom, 2 to the center, with 1.5 inches in between the top and bottom, and number 1 on top. Before placing on number 1, we have a power supply and an SDXC card that should be backed up on all 3, and make sure 1 goes in 1, 2 in 2, 3 in 3. Do not factory reset. You will lose your files. Place on, and secure it down with the 3 self-tappers. 3 power leads, 110-volt plug-in. With the green LED on top, place all 3 together, tape down. With the extension, plug into one of the cables to number 1, number 2, and 3. The extension allows to lay the unit flat on the bottom. Dress all cables in the leading back. Tie wrap or tape. Repeat for the rest. Your finished product should look something like this, nice and clean. Our next step is to hook up the wireless modem and the smartphone application. Has a nice design, LED lights, power source, reset button, plug in your power supply, keyholes for hanging on the wall, your serial number, and more. With the Ethernet cable, simply can be plugged in as well. We have a remote control to operate the unit when all set up. As we briefly go over the remote control, we have an off, which is a stop, a run, which is your on, a recycle, previous, pause, forward, brightness level. As we turn our unit on, we're going to get a test. It goes down to the center. In order to turn the unit on, simply hit the run pointed to the center. As the unit levels out, it'll play correctly after a few cycles. In the application, we have products that we can go through and set up. We have logos, shot, model, cool, organisms. And we have the device to connect the smartphone when hooked up to the Wi-Fi of the unit. There are 3 spin displays underneath MS. It needs to be hooked up to your smartphone and the application. We could personally put text in, take our own video through the camera, MP4 to .bin files, and create smartphone as well as a computer through the wireless connection of your spin display. We're going to shut the lights down so you get an idea what it looks like. Spin displays come in different sizes, different shapes, in glass protection, desktop, outdoor. Comes in a 3D display unit in the back. This is a dragon on the 3 displays. Put your own logo on. Put your expedition for your shows, for a storefront, jewelry, sneakers, and more. Anything that you can imagine. Remember, the spin display, if displays incorrectly, just simply shut down and start over. Point to the unit, shut down, allow the spin displays to stop, and restart. Every time power is turned off, it will run its test. We are on standby with a wireless signal. The modem needs to be plugged in to power. The modem runs its tests with the number of green LED lights on. Open up SpinDIsplay. Put in SpinDIsplay, the password. When SpinDIsplay password is entered correctly, open up the Missyou application. On top, you have sync the group 3, an on and off, and all 3 will start. And you're able to run the application, pick whatever one you want, the dragon, and we'll play. In order to play correctly, you must use the router. When you go into the 3-in-1, change it to the host. Click on the black, then the plus, pictures, mobile, video, mobile, pick on the drill, choose adjust, send with the name. And when correctly done, it will appear on the unit. That is where the computer to synchronize correctly your 3 images that you want to put on. On one of the units, please remove the SD card, load to your computer the executable file, and open up and play around for your entertainment needs of SpinDIsplay. We are going to show you how to set up to 1,500 video images or one of your own through the application on Windows. Stop the device by pressing on stop. These are all your files. Open up your Wi-Fi. Connect your SpinDIsplay, your 3 SpinDisplays. Put in each of the passwords per SpinDisplay and router. We have a library of all 1,500 SpinDisplays. Find a SpinDisplay that you like. Let's go into splicing. It activates our SpinDisplay, custom splicing, and save. Close down, upload. I have a picture of me or the Hulk. Let's open up me. Let's bring myself into the area and export. Export brings us into our computer. Upload. Upload brings us into the SpinDisplay to the 3 SpinDisplays with the green bar. We'll have number 16 made, and that is how you create your own image on a black background to the SpinDisplay. Fish is lit, bring you to the SpinDisplay. As we play Iron Man by double-clicking and hitting play, the SpinDisplay starts. I'm going to shut the lights down so you get to see what it looks like. We have created from the 1,500 library the Hulk. Check further online at the website for the information. Creating your own image logo for your own personal needs and more. If you're looking for displays for your business, personal use, expo, gaming, and more, I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you're looking for in setting up from start to finish, enjoy your product of the SpinDisplay, and thank you for viewing.